Everybody is talking about artificial intelligence. Use AI to run your business, use AI to do all your social media, use AI to even do your job for you, and use AI to think for you. Is it really the best way for us to use this awe-inspiring technology? AI has gradually been making its appearance for a few years now, but we're still in the very early stages of seeing just what it can do. With very few people using it anywhere near its fullest potential, now really is the time to get your business AI ready and to really use it properly. So join us at the annual IRTA Conference, May 6th to 8th at Planet Hollywood, Las Vegas, as we examine some of the biggest mistakes businesses are making with AI today, how to avoid them, and just how you can use it to give your business the edge.